Good morning and assalamu alaikum to the students of class 6. This is me, Miss Sobia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome to e-learning, the students of class 6. And the chapter which we were doing in the physical classes was the mangoes, which was taken from your textbook, the last chapter of your textbook. And in this chapter almost we have completed all the question and answers, reference to the context, fill in the blanks, but the revision exercise of the perfect tenses was left. So we have covered the perfect tenses and the three types of the perfect tenses in the online classes, and I have given you the formulas of it. Then here are the examples of the perfect tenses: the past, the present, the future. And the assignment which I have given you was to exercise 1, page number 141 in your exercise book. This work you have to do in your exercise books. The next task which I have given you was a conversation between a buyer and a seller, in which a seller has to convince the buyer to buy him 1 dozen of mangoes, and you have to imagine yourself as a seller. You have to write down the conversation simple and informative, and this is the exercise book work that you have to do in your exercise books. By giving the heading of composition, conversation, write down the questions and write down the conversation of 100 to 120 words. Do remember that it should not exceed more than 2 pages, means 2 sides of the page, one single side and one single side. Then the next topic is the letter writing, the informal letter we are writing to our friends, family and acquaintances. The informal letter we are writing to our friends, family and acquaintances, and the language which we are using was the informal language. So here is the example and the format of writing the informal letter. In the first, we have to write examination hall, ABC school or ABC road, comma, Karachi, then date. This is the secondary board system pattern that you have to follow in the informal letter. A letter should be consist of the 3 paragraphs. Before that, we have to write dear, the name of the person to whom you are writing the letter, that is called recipient. In the first paragraph, it will be the introductory paragraph in which you will be asking the person you are writing the letter and what purpose you are writing the letter. In the second paragraph, you have to give the proper detail of writing the letter and you have to elaborate your topic. In the third, you have to give the ending just like I am waiting for your reply, see you soon, pay my regards to your aunt and uncle, etc. And in the end, you will write it down yours sincerely. Now this is the class assignment. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to spend summer vacation with you. Do remember that you have to follow the same letter format that has been given in the slide. And you remember that you have done some of the types of the informal letter in your exercise book as well. This all work in the slides you have to do in your exercise books. If the person who have missed some sort of online classes or the video, he or she can go through all the slides and he can complete or she can complete her or his work in the exercise books. Thank you to the students of class 6.